Here's the entryway to an investment property I just bought. I got the entire house newly painted and got new carpeting for the entire house, but no matter how clean the rest of the house might be, this filthy entryway will make all potential tenants march right back out the door and not even want to see the rest of the house. The hardwood floor and steps are not just dirty, they are completely ruined. I considered several options. One option was to get this area professionally sanded and refinished, but that would have cost several $100s and I didn't want to spend that kind of money. Another option was for me to sand the entryway and stairs myself and then brush on some wood stain and polyurethane finish myself. That would have cost very little money, but if there's one thing I really hate doing, it's sanding, so that was completely out of the question. Third option was to just wipe clean the entryway floor and steps and then brush on some very dark brown stain and polyurethane in one, so that the dirt that's embedded in the wood will be hard to see. This was the most tempting option, but I thought it would be weird looking to have just the entryway stained a very dark espresso color while the rest of the wood floor in the house has oak finish. Fourth option was to paint the entryway and steps with some clean colors like gray and white, but I was unsure how durable that would be because this would be a rental and you have to trust me when I say that surfaces will get way more abuse than what you might expect from normal wear and tear with owner occupants. Another option that I was seriously considering was to put a carpet runner on the stairs, which would be cheap to buy and I could install myself. But what would I put down on the landing at the bottom and at the top? I mean, I'd be able to buy a large piece of matching carpet and cut it to size, but the edges would not be finished. Or I would have to buy ready-made rugs that are mismatched from the runner. What I ultimately decided to do was to buy some ready-made stair treads to cover up the ruined wood on the stairs. This shows what stair treads are. So this was the most clean I could get after steam mopping. So there wasn't much improvement there.
Oh, and I wanted to show you, this is a brand new mop pad. And this is what the mop pad looked like after I mopped the staircase. All of this came off of those stairs and the bottom entryway. I've positioned the stair treads and then marked where I wanted to put them, and then I'm going to use carpet tape to just double-sided carpet tape to just stick them on. It's going to ruin the wood floors, but they're already ruined, so there's nothing to worry about. So what I'm going to use is this double-sided carpet tape, and it looks like this. It's like got this like really sticky material, and I'm gonna stick this. It's super sticky, and I'm gonna stick this on the back of the stair treads and then just stick them all onto the wood. This is what it looks like with the carpet tape on the back.
So this is what the front steps look like now. In addition to adding the stair treads, I ended up painting the stair nosing with some gray paint because the steps would have still looked totally gross otherwise. And I was lucky to have found a matching rug to be able to partially cover up the ruined wood in the bottom landing because it was impossible to get the dirty grime off by mopping or scrubbing. I would have needed to resort to sanding, and I wasn't gonna do that. So here's a recap of the costs. The stair treads cost $22, the carpet tape cost $5.30, the rug cost $17, and the cost of the paint was minimal, for a total of around $44.30. And getting everything done took less than 2 hours from start to finish.